let me break down some of the specifics and the things that he did to go from kind of a skinny fat physique to being strong, lean, and jacked. You see, first, when we started coaching, he was working in multiple tech startups, had an incredibly busy schedule, sky-high stress, and not a whole lot of sleep. Yeah, you can push through those long days for a while, but pretty soon your body starts to keep score and your physique starts to fall apart. In addition to that, he liked to have a personal life. He liked to be able to take the stress off. Living in LA, like taking his car to the track. It was very difficult for him to be able to navigate all these different situations and still be lean, still be strong, still be healthy, and performing his best. You see, getting in great shape is one thing, but the condition that our body is in, that our healthy habits are in, or whether they're not healthy, really dictate how we perform mentally, how we perform at work, how we show up in our relationships. And so fitness is more than about what is seen in the mirror, right? It's about how we look, feel, and perform, and the standard that we live in across the board. And with his training, he was consistently training to burn calories instead of building lean muscle, and often reaching for convenient foods and things that are going to be quick and didn't take a whole lot of time because his schedule was so demanding. Now, if you're another guy who has a very demanding schedule and it's difficult for you to make time for workouts or for your nutrition, listen up, because what I'm going to cover next is really important. First and foremost, we gave Himresh structure. He did not have to guess on what he should do. He did not have to pull up his phone, go on ChatGPT, put together little workouts that look good on paper, but truly were not in alignment with his goals and where he needed to go. He also needed accountability. If you know what to do, but you're not getting it done, your body's not going to change. The difference is accountability. It's having somebody in your corner who's going to help you, who's going to support you, but also call you out when you're not getting the job done. And frankly, the right structure for a workout that actually flows with your busy schedule, that allows you to stay consistent even when life is chaotic, versus basing a program around when life is not crazy, that's what makes a huge difference. And so we started weaving in, strategic strength training, but also walks. You see, he knew a lot of things about what to do, but we were crushing workouts and doing so in a way where he didn't have to think about every little detail because I took care of that guesswork for him. And by extension, he's able to go in those workouts, able to hit it, reduce stress during the day, and his body was changing rapidly. Now, as you can see, he's strong, he's lean, he's jacked, and he's enjoying his social life, dating, all of that stuff that much more. You see, ultimately, fitness is not just about what you see in that reflection. It's about our personal standard. And when we start to level up, when we start to act congruently with that person that we know that we can be, especially as a man, that's what builds our confidence. And when our confidence shows up, that's what leads to better performance at work. It leads to better performance physically, cognitively, in our relationships, everywhere else. And so a lot of guys run through thinking, I know what to do, I just got to get it done, or maybe now is not the time. Ultimately, we have to make that change and we have to create that structure if we ultimately want to look great naked without living in the gym. Now, let me show you how we do this a little bit more specifically and how you can apply it to your life. If you want to be able to look great naked without living in the gym, we need the right training program. We can't be program hopping. We can't be putting together random stuff that we find from YouTube or that we find from Instagram and thinking that it's actually going to work. We need a plan that's going to flow with your schedule, not against it. You can't operate with a plan that calls for 6 days a week when you can barely stay consistent with 4. It'd be much better to pull back and have more strategy. Same approach here when you can't run the same program that you did back in high school football. You can't run the same program back in your 25 before you have all the responsibilities that you do now, because everything else has shifted. You won't be able to recover. And so what you need programs built based around your body now, based around your injury history, based around your training history to build strength. The proper training program, if you want to look great naked, is not about burning calories. The proper program, if we want to be able to build lean muscle and look great naked, is about building strength and building lean muscle, while our nutrition takes care of the fat loss component. And so we have to have the right exercises, the right sets, the right reps, and train in a way that is going to build your body and build that metabolic function. So ultimately, you look great and you have a body that performs wherever you need it. The first thing that we need to focus on is losing body fat. A lot of guys come in saying, hey, guess what? I want to lose fat and build muscle. But here's the thing. Losing fat, building muscle, they do complement each other. So when you lose fat, yes, you can have more lean muscle. Your body can build more muscle effectively. And when we build muscle, we can improve that metabolic rate. But they require two different approaches to really maximize either one. And so what happens with most guys is they say, I want to build muscle and lose fat. They start cutting, then they feel small, then they bulk, and they end up going absolutely nowhere. It is exponentially faster to do what we call our men's health and optimization protocol. And the first thing that we do is we focus on helping you lose body fat. The reason that we do this, we improve things like testosterone levels. We decrease cortisol. We improve your insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can now break down food more effectively and you look better. Body fat, you have more energy, you have better internal health. And by extension, when you get leaner, everything else improves. Now, because you're leaner, because you're healthier, we can move into the priming protocol. The big issue a lot of guys face is they will focus on a hyper-aggressive diet. Keto, carnivore, 75 hard, but they run it for 75 years instead of 75 days, and they wonder why it backfires. Actually, if we focus on too much of an aggressive calorie deficit for too long, your body actually starts to slow down your testosterone. It slows down your metabolic function. And so what we need to do is, yes, we need to lose body fat, but we need to have time periods where we increase those calories and then bring that back down and then up and then down. And when we do so, that's how we can lose body fat, but do so without jacking up your hormones or your metabolism. So once we get to that phase where we've gotten leaner and now we're into priming protocol, we're starting to build lean muscle. As we build lean muscle, your metabolic rate increases, your hormones are in a much better spot, you feel better, you have more energy, you have more clarity. Now we want to build more muscle on top of this lean and jacked physique because that is what is going to keep that metabolism running full throttle and help you look, feel, and perform your best. And then fourth, the most important phase right here is learning how to live lean. A lot of people can get results in 30 days and 60 days and 90 days, but most people backslide. And so what we focus on is creating a sustainable, long-term way for you to transform your body. It's not just about telling you what to do, it's helping you understand why. That's why coaches hire us to coach them to become better coaches. And that's why even elite level guys get value from what we do because they learn. They learn how to apply this stuff in a way that's more practical or sustainable. Meaning any level that you're at, you're gonna learn on how to create a long-term sustainable change and permanently transform your body. And that's what eludes so many people. We have the metabolic reboot system. First, we need to get lean. When you're leaner, you look better. When you're leaner, you're healthier. When you're leaner, you can build muscle more effectively, right? So we're going to highlight what to eat, and how to fit in your favorite foods. One of the key things that we like to preach is if your nutrition approach is not sustainable, the results from it will not be maintainable. Now, I'm a dad. I'm in my late 30s. I'm married. I like football. I like whiskey. I like pizza. I like steak. I enjoy those things on a regular basis. I'm not going to skip having ice cream with my daughter because I need to have abs and look great for what I do professionally, right? So it's about fitting those things in. Same thing, pizza night with the family on Fridays, it happens, right? Saturday, I like to go on a date. Sunday, I like to watch football, have some burgers or a steak. You can fit these things into your nutrition plan, but you have to have the right strategy to do so. Not every day can be vacation, not every week can be cheat week, because that's a lot of times how we gain too much body fat in the first place. Instead, when we can start to integrate those things with the right strategy, that's how we can have the lifestyle that we want, yet still be able to get results. Now, the third component that really weaves all this together is the coaching. It's synergy. This is important to understand. You can have the best nutrition plan in the world and you can be consistent with it, but if you're training like you're getting ready for the Orange Theory Olympics, you're going to be skinny fat and you're not going to have the body that you want, even if your heart is healthy, right? Same thing with training. You can train as hard as you want and you can have the best nutrition plan, but if you don't nail the lifestyle, if you don't get your sleep, if you don't have your hormones in a good spot, you are going to spin your wheels feeling like you're doing everything right, but getting absolutely nowhere. And then ultimately, you can have a great training program and be consistent as hell, but if your nutrition isn't dialed in, well, guess what? You're not going to lose that body fat. Your internal health is going to slowly erode until a health issue pops up long term. It's just the reality of it. And so what we do is we integrate all of these components together. We help you handcraft a nutrition plan that flows with your life, not against it. We help you build lean muscle and a strong, jacked, and athletic physique that helps you perform at your best. And most importantly, we hold you accountable. We help you optimize your habits around sleep, around hormone health, around your lifestyle. Because if those components are missing, and it doesn't matter how hard you work, there are going to be gaps. Ultimately, one of the most important concepts you need to understand is fitness is a force multiplier for everything else in your life. When you look in the mirror, how do you feel? Are you confident? Are you happy with what you've built? Or are you wondering what the heck happened? Because a lot of guys wonder what the heck happened. And when you're approaching life, when you're not performing at your best, if you're a high performing man, you're going to feel incongruent with the person that you want to be. And that erodes your confidence. And when that confidence gets eroded, it bleeds over into the way that you show up in your relationships, the example that you lead with your kids, with your family, and the confidence and the mental focus that you have at work because you're not performing at your best. And so when you start to get dialed in, when you join our Look Great Naked protocol, that's where the magic happens. And that's why high performers absolutely thrive in what we do. I had to hire Bach Performance coaching when I was struggling to lose weight and going through major health issues and life changes, and stress was through the roof. Lost 21 pounds. over the course of 2 months. Now, sustainability is ultimately the key. We are still definitely working on some things directly with Logan, but ultimately, one of the reasons that we succeed is we don't just guess at what's happening. This is a data-driven coaching program. We get blood work done, lab work, and really base things around you and your hormone levels in addition to your lifestyle. A lot of guys run around thinking that they have things like low testosterone, but the reality is they have poor habits. But ultimately, if we get data on what's actually working and what's not, we can truly build a plan based on your biology and not just guess, not just take another Huberman Lab supplement protocol thinking testosterone might be low when it might not be the issue. So if you want something that's data-driven and truly built for you based on you and your biology, this is exactly where to get it. You've probably tried different coaching programs before. You've seen different things and you're thinking, man, I don't know if this is going to work for me, or I'll just do it myself. First, if you could do it yourself, looking in the mirror, you would have done it already. Having enough knowledge is not always what's holding you back. Many times it's having clear-cut data on what's not working, and it's having somebody that holds you to the next standard. Number two, you might be wondering, is there a cost? What does this stuff look like? We cover all that stuff directly on a call, but what I will tell you is we have a full guarantee. Meaning if you do the work, the training, nutrition, and you show up, you do everything you're supposed to, we fully guarantee your results. If not, here's your money. I've been in the industry since 2009. If I wouldn't be any good or last in this industry if I wasn't. And so by extension of that, we put a money back guarantee on everything that we do because we know that it's going to work for you. And that's ultimately what it comes down to. If you're willing to do the work, it will work for you. So I'm not busy. Hey, we're always busy. We're always going to be busier. We got to take action now. If you're somebody who craves efficiency, if you have a ton of different demands on your schedule, then you want to be able to not have to think about every little detail and be able to get superior results in less time, great. This is the program for you. If you're somebody who takes extreme ownership, somebody who says, hey, you know what? I'm going to make this happen and I'm going to commit fully. This is for you. And you're somebody who's a clear communicator. We thrive best when we hear back from you. I can give you the best program in the world, but if you're stressed, if you're tired, and not getting sleep, I can't adjust it and really optimize that process for you. So ultimately, this is a team environment. I'm here to coach you. I'm here to hold you to a high standard, but it comes with two-way communication across the board because we want you to sustain the results that you get forever. You might be thinking there might be a cost to this. Ultimately, there's a cost to not performing your best, and often it only shows up later down the road. So you can be proactive and start changing your body and making a life-changing transformation. You simply pull up your phone right now, you scan that QR code, you fill out a short application. Our spots are limited in terms of who we can help and who we want to help, but if this feels like something that might help you make a life-changing transformation, all you got to do is apply. We'll have a short conversation and see if it's the right fit for you. If I can help, I'll be more than happy to point you to some resources and other coaches who might be a better fit. But if I can help, I'd be happy to break down what these steps look like so you can ultimately look great naked without living in the gym. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.